Hello, KB. Ito si tatay mo. Binabati kita ng happy birthday. Ilan taong ka na? Siguro, hindi mo na kalimutan yung pumunta ako dyan sa UK na ako ang naghahatid sa school. Tapos sinusundo kita. Parang kailan lang yun Ilan taong ka na ngayon?
30.
31 na? O 1? 31 na, tibe. Parang kailan lang yun Ang lit mo pa noon. Happy birthday ulit, Kibe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, KB.
Hello, KB. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health and happiness in life. Naalala mo ba to? Binata ka pa. Hanggang ngayon, binata. Happy birthday. I love you. Miss you. Hi, KB. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health and God bless. See you soon. Love you. Happy birthday, KB.
Happy birthday, Kevin. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and more blessings to come.
Hi, Kuya. Happy 30th birthday. I wish you all the best, more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come. And I hope to see you soon on your wedding kasi miss na miss ko na kayo nila Ate Micah. Good luck and God bless. Bye-bye! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kiri. Pansit naman dyan. Sana all. Happy birthday, Kiri. Sana all.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait a minute. Okay. Mommy.
Hi, Kevin. Happy birthday. You're such a nice guy. You deserve all the love and happiness in the world, not only today, but every day. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hi, KB. May your special day filled with joy, love, and endless happiness. Happy birthday, KB. Always love you. Okay. Sing.
You sing now.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Kuya.
birthday.
Happy
Kuya
birthday.
Kevi. We love you so much.
Bye. Miss you guys.
Miss you. Ma, start na.
Opo, start na po.
Happy birthday, Tito Gabi. Ano sabi ko ulit? Happy birthday, Tito Gabi. Tito.
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 안녕하세요.
Okay na yun?
Oo.
안녕하세요. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다.
사랑하는
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Hi, Kibi. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh, you're 30. Oh God. I'm so sorry I cannot come on your birthday because, during summer I'm really busy. Sorry. I wish you all the best in life, KB. Happy 30th birthday. Be happy always. Think positive always. Many, many returns. Many, many more candles to blow. Thank you. Micah, thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you very much indeed. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Happy birthday again, KB. Happy birthday. Mwah. Love you both. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.